What's up, guys? My name is Paulie, and I'm here at the Aorus Booth at PAX East 2020 with my good friend Tony at Killer Mods, and he's going to be going over one of the things that he did here for us. Get your ass in here. All right, so tell us a little bit about this beautiful little machine you put together.
Well, Aorus had come to me asking me to do this. Apparently, nobody wanted to modify the gaming box. I don't know why. It was a challenge, but it's doable, obviously. And this is my end result. What I've done to it so far, I created a custom shell, obviously because I added a distro on the side to hold more water. Added a alpha-cooled DCLT pump in the front with the mini distro that actually is getting fed from the distro and then feeds the pump on top of the GPU that's already there. And then the inside obviously has a soft tubing that routes to an EK240 rad that I added to it. Well, kind of hacked up to get fit in there. And then it dumps back into the distro, and that's pretty much it.
Well, like everything else you do, this thing is absolutely beautiful. And you got something else that you did over there that I really want to go take a look at, because this thing is absolutely epic, like everything else Tony does. We're going to go over there and check out the other thing that Tony brought to PAX East 2020 with him. All right, so again, we're still here at the Aorus Booth at PAX East 2020. I'm with Killer Mods, and this is something that he had told me a little bit about at CES this year. So why don't you tell us the concept behind this and where the idea for this came from?
All right, so when I went into the Aorus Booth, I was introduced to Brian and Van, and I noticed that they had a bench of their own, and I asked, you know, pretty much what the setup was for, and they wanted to showcase their AIOs. They really didn't like the setup, and I guess they didn't know anybody to create something unique, I guess. And I was like, sure, I can make it. This is no big deal. And essentially, this is the end result. Some little things that I kind of did is obviously brand the what I call the display. These wings obviously mount the AIOs. You can mix between soft tubing and hard tubing, static water loops if you want, obviously along with the AIOs. It'll fit up to 360 millimeter rads. That's what I would maximize in terms of the recommended size to put. Because it is acrylic, I'm not going to say how much weight it can hold. I haven't tested it, but essentially this is it. The motherboard is on a hinging system, so you can actually change the angle. All of it's aluminum extrusion from Open Builds, and I love working with their extrusions because you can do amazing things with it. And this is one of the amazing things that was created.
Just about everything you do is amazing. This is something special, man. This is really cool.
Yes, I think so.
Very impressive.
It came out a lot better than what I was thinking it would.
Come a long way from those motherboard stands you made me like 4 years ago, right?
Yeah, I haven't seen one of those in a while. I have to recall some of your videos and keep them in the background.
Hell yeah. I was showing them off on stream not that long ago.
Good, so good.
I show them off anytime I get a chance. We still gotta update the plates. They're a little outdated.
Yeah, I know.
All right, well, thank you guys for checking this out. This has been Paulie from PAX East 2020, and stay tuned for more footage. We'll be here all weekend.